Have you ever wanted to start your own online store but been overwhelmed by the thought of having to stock and ship products? Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell products without having to hold any inventory. Instead, you simply partner with a supplier who will ship the products directly to your customers. This makes dropshipping a great option for entrepreneurs who are looking to start a business with minimal investment. I'm going to show you how to dropship from Spocket. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that makes it easy to find and sell products from all over the world. Step 1. Sign up for a Spocket account. Once you have created your account, you will be able to browse through Spocket's vast catalog of products. Step 2. Find products to sell. You can search for products by category, keyword, or supplier. Once you find a product that you want to sell, you can add it to your cart. Step 3. Create your product listings. Once you have added a product to your cart, you will need to create a product listing. This will include the product's title, description, images, and price. Step 4. Set up your shipping settings. When you create a product listing, you will need to set up your shipping settings. This will include the shipping carrier, shipping method, and shipping cost. Step 5. Start selling. Once you have set up your product listings, you can start selling your products. When a customer places an order, Spocket will automatically place an order with your supplier and ship the product directly to the customer. Additional tips. Choose products that are in high demand. Price your products competitively. Offer free shipping. Provide excellent customer service. Promote your store on social media and other channels. Dropshipping is a great way to start your own online store without having to invest a lot of money. By following the steps in this video, you can start dropshipping from Spocket and start making money today. Thanks for watching.